croissant. Mango, mango, mango. Just ignore me. You're busy eating, are you? Okay, don't disturb me. Is that what you want me not to disturb you? Okay, no problem. You're not going to share? You're not going to share your croissant? Tango, you don't want it. She's not sharing with you. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh dear. Oh dear me. Yes, Mango's naughty, isn't she? She's not sharing. Yes? Yes, you are. You are a good baby, aren't you? Yes. Mango's a naughty girl. Is Mango naughty girl? Mango. Hello. You're beautiful. You are so beautiful. Yes, you are. Hello. Say hello. Say I love you. Say I love you. Mango, can you say I love you? Come on, Mango, you can do it. Come on. No? Yeah. Here. Here, Mango. Here. Okay.